Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Are you looking for the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The Hupa AI dashcam front-rear inside with driver monitor system is an advanced 4-channel dash camera designed to provide complete 360 degrees protection for your vehicle. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording along with rear, interior, and driver monitoring cameras, this intelligent dashcam captures every important detail on the road and inside your vehicle. Equipped with AI-powered driver monitoring, the system helps detect driver fatigue, distraction, and unsafe driving behaviors, enhancing overall road safety. The built-in GPS accurately records driving routes, speed, and location data, while integrated Wi-Fi allows seamless video playback, downloading, and sharing through a compatible smartphone app. Its superior night vision technology ensures clear recordings in low-light conditions, making it ideal for day and night driving. The wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots and provide comprehensive coverage from multiple directions. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, this dash cam offers reliable evidence and peace of mind. The included 64GB SD card allows immediate use right out of the box, eliminating the need for additional storage purchases. Wi-Fi connectivity and complete vehicle surveillance, the Hupa AI dash cam is a powerful solution for modern driving security and protection. Number 2. The Prevo 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam is an advanced vehicle security and recording system designed to capture every angle of your journey. Featuring 4 high-definition cameras, it simultaneously records the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle, providing complete 360-degree coverage for enhanced safety and evidence collection. Equipped with built-in GPS, the dashcam accurately tracks driving routes, speed, and location data, making it ideal for documenting trips and supporting insurance claims. Integrated Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to easily access, view, and download footage directly to their smartphone through a dedicated mobile app. The advanced night vision technology ensures clear video recording even in low-light conditions, delivering reliable performance during nighttime driving. Automatically detecting impacts or suspicious activity and recording important events for added peace of mind. Designed for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and fleet operators, the Prevo 360 degrees dash cam offers dependable protection and comprehensive surveillance. Loop recording automatically overwrites older files when storage is full, while emergency recording locks important footage to prevent accidental deletion. Combining convenience, security, and cutting-edge technology, this dash camera system is a smart investment for any vehicle owner seeking complete road and parking protection. Number 3. The IWI N5 4-channel dash cam is an advanced vehicle security and recording system designed to provide complete 360 degrees coverage around your car. Equipped with 4 high-definition cameras, it simultaneously records the front, rear, interior, and side views, ensuring that every angle is captured while driving or parked. The 1080p resolution delivers clear and detailed footage, making it easier to review important events and incidents. For enhanced nighttime performance, the IWI N5 features 8 infrared IR lamps that provide excellent night vision inside the vehicle. This ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, and daily commuters. The wide-angle lenses help reduce blind spots and maximize visibility around the vehicle. With reliable loop recording, parking monitoring support, and comprehensive coverage, the IWI N5 dash cam offers enhanced safety, convenience, and peace of mind for drivers seeking a complete vehicle surveillance solution. Number 4. The IWI N6 360 degrees dash cam is an advanced 4-channel car camera system designed to provide complete protection and peace of mind on every journey. Equipped with full HD front, rear, and interior cameras, it captures clear and detailed footage from multiple angles, ensuring comprehensive coverage around your vehicle. The innovative 360 degrees recording capability helps eliminate blind spots and provides valuable evidence in the event of accidents or unexpected incidents. Featuring the latest 5.8G Wi-Fi 6 technology, The IWI N6 delivers ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing users to quickly download, view, and share recordings through the dedicated mobile app. The included free 128 gigabytes memory card offers ample storage space for continuous recording without the need for immediate upgrades. For enhanced nighttime performance, the dashcam is equipped with 8 infrared IR lights that significantly improve interior visibility in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, taxis, and family vehicles. Additional smart features such as loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, parking monitoring, and easy installation make the IWI N6 a reliable and user-friendly solution for modern drivers seeking maximum security and convenience on the road. Number 5. The Botslab 3K 4-channel dashcam is a powerful, all-in-one driving companion designed to provide complete vehicle security and peace of mind. Featuring an advanced 360 degrees all-sides view system, this dash camera captures every angle around your vehicle with front, rear, and interior cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage while driving or parked. Equipped with high-resolution 3K recording, the Botslab dashcam delivers sharp, detailed footage that helps capture important road events, license plates, and unexpected incidents with exceptional clarity. The intuitive 3.18-inch touchscreen display allows easy navigation, quick playback, and convenient access to camera settings directly from the device. For enhanced safety, the built-in GPS accurately records driving routes, speed, and location data, providing valuable evidence when needed. The 24/7 parking mode continuously monitors your vehicle even when the engine is off, helping protect against theft, vandalism, or hit-and-run accidents. Advanced motion detection and impact sensing automatically save critical footage whenever unusual activity is detected. Designed for modern drivers, the Botslab 3K 4-channel dashcam combines premium video quality, smart monitoring features, and user-friendly controls into a reliable security solution that keeps your vehicle protected both on the road and while parked.